So that's where I was really fired up, and we heard about it and we got excited, and then before the trial period is over, we booked the product and we have it. My name is Sudhakar Bhatt and I'm from coastal Karnataka and been in Bangalore for 20 plus years now, and she's my wife Gayatri. I work as a quality head for one of the leading multinational organizations.
I'm Vishal. I hail from a relatively small town known as Bhilai, which is in Chhattisgarh. I work as a product designer.
I'm Rinal Chimalgi. I'm a software engineer and I've been living in Bangalore since 2005.
I'm Deepthi. I'm currently working as a digital adoption lead. I was born and mostly brought up in Bangalore.
I honestly never felt the need to have a stove or a microwave. Delishub covers everything for me.
I came across a LinkedIn post by Upliance. I was able to see some YouTube reviews and I decided I want to buy it. I went ahead with it without the 5-day trial that Delishub offers because the founders seem to be really genuine and passionate about their product.
This is very interesting because rarely do you come across founders who would go to any length to help the customers.
It's a multifunctional device. So anything, it will only increase the possibility. So that's where I was really fired up, and we heard about it and we got excited, and then before the trial period is over, we booked the product and we have it.